Hello, my name is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the praise and worship song, Holy is the Lord, written by Tomlin, a very popular praise and worship songwriter. This song and many of his songs are sung in churches today. So I'll sing a verse and chorus to give you an idea of how it goes, and then we'll teach the lesson. So here goes. We stand and lift up our hand, for the joy of the Lord is our strength. Then repeat it. We bow down and worship Him now. How great and awesome is He. And together we sing. Everyone sing. Holy is the Lord God Almighty. The earth is filled with His glory. Holy is the Lord God Almighty. The earth is filled with His glory. The earth is filled with His glory. Holy is the Lord. Very beautiful song. You can sing the verses and the choruses as often as you would like, but just a very great praise and worship song. So the chords for this song I've taught in previous lessons, but we'll do a quick review. We're going to be using the chord of G major, C add 9, D sus4, and D, and E minor. And I'm also going to use just the standard C major. So you'll see on this song I'll mix up between C add 9 and the regular C. And you know, we could use the E minor 7 chord, but I'm just going to use the standard E minor on that. So just a quick review of the chords. If you don't know, G major, your first finger is on fret number 2 on the 5th string, and then your finger number 2 is on the very top E string on the 3rd fret, and then your 3rd finger and 4th finger are planted on the bottom 2 strings of the 3rd fret. So your little finger is on the bottom E string of the 3rd fret, and then your 3rd finger is on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. So that's G major, strum all strings. Okay, then C add 9, you just want to simply lower these 2 fingers 1 string down. Okay, and then don't play the top string, just strum strings 5 on down. So that's C add 9. There's G major, C add 9, okay? D sus4, again, keep these 2 fingers planted and just come down here and just come down here and make that D shape. You really don't have to use your 2nd finger to press down on that 2nd string because you have, or the 1st string, because you already have the string depressed here. But I find it's easier just to go ahead and make the D shape, and that way you can just lift off your little finger to do the suspended chord. So this is D sus4, strum all strings but the top string. And you can kind of hear that tension, and then just lift off your little finger, and that's just D major. Okay, so quick review: G major, then lower the fingers 1 and 2 down 1 string, C add 9, and then D suspended 4, lift off your little finger. Okay, and that makes the D major. And then the other chord is E minor, E minor. So finger number 2 is on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 is on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then you can strum all strings. Okay. Okay, to make the C major chord, place your 1st finger on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, and then you want to skip a string and place your 2nd finger on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then your 3rd finger, you stretch that to the 5th string of the 3rd fret, play all strings but the top string. And that's a C major. So that'll be all the chords for the song, with the exception of one more, A minor, okay? So to make that A minor chord, you put your finger, first finger on the string number 2 of the first fret, okay? And then finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. And then again, strum all strings but the top one. So that's an A minor. That's an E, and that's an A minor. So easy chord to learn. Okay, now let's look at the chord progression for the verse. It's very simple. It's just repeated 2 times. If you look at the chart above, we play just really 2 beats of each chord. We don't play a full measure of each one. So you play just really 2 beats of G, 2 beats of C add 9, 2 beats of sus4, D sus4, 2 beats of D, 2 beats of E minor, 2 beats of C, 2 beats of D sus4, okay, and then D. So the verse goes like, we stand and lift up our hand, for the joy of the Lord is our strength. Then repeat it. We bow down and worship Him now. How great and awesome is He. Okay, in a strumming pattern, you notice I'm just doing down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Just a kind of a steady 4/4 rhythm. 4 beats per measure. We're only playing 2 beats for each chord. Okay. Okay, for the bridge, we're going to use 4 beats of A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then C, 4 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4, back to A minor, 2, 3, 4, then back to C, but we're going to do what I call band beats. Instead of just playing a strumming, we're just going to kind of do downstrokes on these bass strings and hit them 8 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that, and then go back into the G for the chorus, okay? So the bridge will go, and together we sing, everyone sing, holy is the Lord. Very easy. So it'll just take us right back, take us right to the chorus, and the chorus is just the same chord progression. 2 beats of G, 2 beats of C add 9, 2 beats of D sus4, and then D, okay, and then you just kind of repeat that twice. So really the chord progression is the same for the verses, the same for the chorus. The only difference is that bridge. And again, you can sing the verses or the choruses as often as you want to, okay? So if we start at the bridge and sing that and then going into the chorus, it'll go like this. And together we sing, everyone sing, holy is the Lord God Almighty. The earth is filled with His glory. Holy is the Lord God Almighty. The earth is filled with His glory. The earth is filled with His glory. Holy is the Lord. So that tag, the earth is filled with His glory, you just simply play that last line. E minor, C, D sus4. The earth is filled with His glory. Holy is the Lord. And then you want to end with the G note. So it's a very simple song to learn, and very, very worshipful song as well. So if you'd like to see more of these lessons, be sure and hit the like button below and after the lesson here. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. It's free, it's no obligation. It just simply bookmarks my channel onto your subscription so I can be easily found when new video lessons are uploaded. So I appreciate my current subscribers, and you have a blessed day, and God bless you.